Once again, it's on. What's up, Mukbang Mafia family? We just coming to you today. We doing a little quick one. I've been doing chores all day, little honeydews, washing whips, getting the whips clean because it was a beautiful day today. But later for all that, I'm cool and this is my lovely.
Hi, I'm Lisa the Creole Queen.
She a little tired, y'all. She been straight slaving in the kitchen all day. I'm grateful. I'm appreciative.
And cleaning.
I'm grateful and I'm appreciative of it because I get to enjoy the fruits of her labor.
Yeah, guys, we hadn't even planned on recording, but Coop was like, let's go on and get the family some of this seafood.
Yeah, we just got a little quick one. Should we pray first or say what we got?
We can pray. Let's pray.
Okay. Okay. Father, we thank you for this day, God. We thank you for this meal. We ask that this meal nourish our bodies. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
All right.
Pop open my ginger ale. You know I like my ginger ale.
And I got a little ice water today.
Ice water. I have my water on the side. I didn't drink it.
Excuse my swag today, but like I said, I've been doing chores.
Yeah.
Been being a good man.
So guys, we have a little tomato-based Lord, just some mayonnaise-based sauce that we always make. I got some other seafood sauce here. We have some blue crab mussels, egg, and Koo has sausage. And we have potatoes.
Pause.
And that's it.
We're just dropping in for y'all. With y'all, excuse me, my mouth full. That's so crazy. So, how many of y'all watching football today? Did your team win? Well, my team didn't win, but I guess that's how it goes sometimes. But if I had anything to do with it, I'd be getting me a new coach and a new general manager. But that's me.
I don't know nothing about football. I know about football, but I'll watch it, but I don't have an opinion on it. Go Saints. That's about it. And go Texans.
Comment down below what you think.
Oh, guys, real quick, let me just show you because I didn't get I don't know if you can see that. I didn't do like a little video before for you guys to see what we're eating.
Yeah, we just straight coming. We just thugging it tonight, man. We just coming. Hey, we just really stopping by to say how y'all doing, how y'all week went.
You like that butter sauce?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Just kind of had to use what I had. Give a fam a piece. This wasn't even supposed to happen tonight, actually. I cooked something else. But I feel I let that sit, and some things you cook just taste better the next day.
I bad boy marinating too, boy. Woo!
Shout out to Yummy Bites on getting her silver plaque.
Congratulations.
Yummy.
Yummy Bites, baby.
Y'all.
Uh-huh.
Her intro song is banging. Like
the best one in the game. Murder Show. You did that. You did that, Murder Show.
Mm-hmm. That's straight twerk music.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
As soon as it come on, we just...
Mm-hmm.
So congratulations.
But that boy from Dirty, so
got that
it's in his blood.
Yeah. Do you like these mussels?
Yeah, they're good.
You like them better than the other ones?
I don't really.
You don't know?
Yeah, I ain't no mussel connoisseur like that.
We normally get them from get the mussels from Walmart. But we were at Sprout. Was it Sprouts?
Sprouts.
We were at Sprouts picking up some stuff.
Okay, I do. Now that you say that, I do taste the difference.
Yeah.
I can't.
And these are already like in a garlic butter sauce. So it seems to be a little more meatier.
Mm-hmm.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm. I do taste the difference.
Nothing is too spicy for you tonight. Huh? I try
good.
to kind of save the.
That's good.
And I would do it.
Little crabs. They've been just kind of soaking in that butter sauce too.
I like it soaking.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah.
I will tell you, I found some those Scotch bonnet hot sauce. I seen Tay and Lou talking about it. Talking stuff. AM is diversity free. I was so excited when I found it, so I said, let me try to see if I can cook up this. And this is pretty good. It's hot too, y'all. Woo!
It is?
It's hot. Yeah.
I ain't fooling with that.
Well, it's in there.
Oh,
but
yeah?
I didn't use a lot, but you know, I kind of, once I added the water and the butter, kind of
dilute. I'm just talking about if I put it on chicken or something, or you don't use it on chicken.
You can use it on, it's hot sauce. It's a hot sauce. It's hot. When I tip my thing in there, woo!
Hey, I don't like it hot going in and hot coming out. if you know what I mean.
It's hot.
No.
But it's like a, to me, it's like a savory hot. I should have brought the bottle to the table.
Yeah. Well, funny story, y'all. I remember the first time that I started, when we moved here and we started eating the wings from the Crazy Cajun place. Did I tell that story before? I don't think I told the story. Yo, so we started eating the Tabasco wings from Crazy Cajun. And, you know, I wasn't really used to eating tobacco. I really just started using hot sauce, drinking wine, all that at this age. I just really started putting
late bloomer, drinking coffee,
putting Tabasco and stuff on my food. So I think I'm gonna be a big boy. Yeah, give me a Tabasco wing, y'all. I think I ate 8 wings. Man, I woke up the next morning and I was fine. Blah blah blah. Getting ready to step out, that old stomach say bloop, and I'm like, oh, that didn't feel too good. And next thing you know, it's the bloop, bloop, bloop. Man, I'm running to the bathroom, man. Hey, when I tell y'all, it was like I had a dragon in my booty.
Shit.
I had a dragon in my booty.
Oh, Lord.
Man, it was hot. It was hot.
Yeah,
But,
he wasn't used to eating hot food.
Yeah. Spicy and hot is 2 different things.
Mama cooked spicy.
Yeah.
But them wings was hot. They were hot. I mean, I like them. We used to them now. And they actually have some that's hotter.
Who? They do?
Mm-hmm. I like more of a dry wing. I'll eat a soft wing.
Mm-hmm.
But that one is super saucy. So I had it one time. It was okay.
Yo, you did this, whatever this is.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you do something different.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Y'all don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And then you gotta hit that notification bell. And holler at us, man. Comment. Talk to us. We talking to y'all. Talk to us. Let us know how you doing, how y'all family doing. Did Lil Ray make 10 baskets today? Did Lil Keisha, did she get an honor roll or did she get a starer? You know, something. Talk to us. Let us know what's going on. I'm just saying.
You go crazy when this camera goes.
Don't just come to the channel and just be peeking around looking. No, holler at us.
I told them how. Beam up. Say you ain't subscribed. You the hater.
Yeah.
I didn't peel the eggs.
I don't know what's happening. Queen might get her a foot massage tonight.
Ooh, is it that good?
Hey.
Excuse me.
I discovered that Cupid. Man. Hey, and I've been sleeping. I was sleeping on that Cupid. Hey, but it's jamming. If you don't have it, you need to go pick it up. Okay. It's called Capricorn. Capricorn. Yeah, what I said?
Capricorn.
Hey, I'm country. Capricorn. My bad. You look cute. With your little...
You so sweet. I know I look busted as hell.
No, you don't. Got that little Erykah Badu vibe going. I like that.
I am shiny and sweaty. Mm. Well, thank you.
Ooh, so welcome.
Damn, these eggs good.
I'm gonna post that's more than a throwback.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna post a picture on our Instagram. Comment on the Instagram and then comment under this video.
I'm gonna try to edit
if y'all like the picture. And she gonna add it in the video. Yeah. She gonna try to add it in the video.
It's
so
a
comment.
throwback.
Yeah.
Oh, Cool and I don't even know where
we was at somebody. I think it was at a reception, maybe.
I think so, because it looked like we got there.
But we're not dressed.
We're not in the wedding.
Right. No, we're not dressed, though. We just, like, no, it wasn't.
We work out. You have a time.
I do?
Yes.
I don't think it was a wedding.
I don't know.
A reception. I think it might have been, wasn't a birthday party?
What's that, Mama's party?
No.
That wasn't her birthday party? I don't know. I'm going to have to ask my sister. I called and she didn't answer, so I'm going to have to find out. Mm-hmm. Exactly where, and I'll put it on our Instagram or whatever. But your girl was skinny with struggle brows.
You still take my breath away.
Well, thank you, honey. But my brother-in-law sent it to me. I couldn't say my brother-in-law sent it to me. It just took my breath away because I didn't even remember where it came from. I was like,
speaking of brother-in-law, laughing at him.
Oh, Lord.
Information he found out today.
No, I'm not going to say, but I had a conversation with my sister. Mm-hmm. You know how things happen? And sometimes you just forget because so many life things have happened. That girl reminded me of something today. I was in tears laughing.
I didn't even know, y'all.
I
didn't know.
You didn't remember.
Yeah.
You
know, because if I'd have knew, I wouldn't have let that happen. No, I'd have been like, nah, hey, bro. Hey, you need to go and get from around here, bro. We ain't doing that around here.
You knew.
No, I didn't.
I know I told you. I told you everything.
I told me that, I had my ear to the streets too. Nah, no, I wouldn't have let that go. I
think once we find a picture, you'll be like, oh, okay. But yeah, my brother-in-law text me was so funny. Yeah, man. Sometimes me and my sister had some of the best conversations when we were on the phone 2 and 3 hours.
I wouldn't have let that go down.
And we talk every day, but all day. But yeah, that was funny. I ain't gonna tell it all.
Nah, I get
That's so good.
Maybe when she come on, she can tell it.
I told her, I said, oh my God, you got to tell that story on my channel. For our channel. Oh, it's funny. Think that sauce good too?
Mm-hmm. These sauces not so good tonight.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's sour? Is it what? It's not popping or what?
Yeah.
Maybe I should have sauteed that one instead of boil. I probably didn't boil it long, but it started splitting.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. But you know what? That's just like a plain mild.
Mm.
That's not like the garlic one and stuff I normally get. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm rubbing my nose. It's so itchy. The weather keep changing. Messing with my allergies and my sinuses. It was so pretty outside today. So, I kind of sat outside a little while he was washing and cleaning my truck. I forgot the lemons. Oh, well. Time to go, though. Alright, guys. I'm going to reset the camera. I'll be right back.
Oh. I know what I want to address. Muscle and marriage. Muscle and marriage. Keys, I ain't know you was an Alabama fan, man. Oh, man, come on, man.
He from Alabama. I'm going to tell you from Alabama.
It's LSU all the way, Keys. Come on, man.
Oh, Lord.
We rep them Tigers, man. We rep them Tigers. Although, Monday, y'all probably going to beat the brakes off Clemson. But, you know. He all right with me other than that. We cool other than that.
Men in sports.
Man, this is really good.
Mm-hmm.
And this is like a real simple one,
yeah.
You know?
I just threw stuff in there.
Mm-hmm. It's good, though. We're going to sit in that sauce, too. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Are you educators out there? Y'all ready for work Monday?
I can answer that question for him. No.
No, I know I'm not. I love them, but I don't miss them.
It's going to be some drag button Monday morning. Starbucks.
It's going to be lit.
They stock going to shoot up, 50%. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Everybody going to be getting a double. They're going to run out of espresso. Give me a double shot.
Yeah, it's going to be super duper hard.
Mm-hmm.
When that 5 o'clock alarm go off. That's why we're trying to be watching code and getting everything done today. So tomorrow we can just chill. Ooh. Pepper. Y'all left the TV on so he can watch the game. Or keep up with what's going on. Get this other egg.
Oh, I still got my egg.
Y'all, I logged on today to try to get my B-Love tickets. Sold out. So, sis, if you're watching, if you can open up a few more spots.
That's all. Can you do that for us, please?
That would be awesome. I was like, dang it.
A few more
and I
spots.
kept bringing it up on my phone, then I started doing something else. So, in case you're watching, because I'd love to meet you. Mm. Yeah, it's good. I know some people be hating on that blue crab. Talking about it's not enough meat.
I'm not a fan, but they good.
The flavor.
I'm generally not a fan.
Blue crab is what bring out the taste in your gumbos and stuff. Take it to the next level.
I wonder why that is. It makes them taste so much better. People putting all that other stuff in their gumbo.
I don't know, you know, since I'm about to choke. Because we start doing these mukbangs, or mukbangs, depending on how you say it. I really have any joy for cooking now. I kind of got bored. I was like, I want to cook. Or whatever, just kind of dragging with it. But I think I really do have a new love for cooking now. Cause I've been cooking since what? Middle school? Yeah, middle school. Sometimes I just add and hit a wall. So. So how y'all doing today? I don't know if we asked that already. Hope you're enjoying your weekend. And you got out and enjoyed your day.
Did I get you? Oh, man. That's a juicy little leg. Man. Got to get some dessert.
Do we have any in there?
Yeah, we still got some pie.
What pie?
I guess we don't have no more pies.
The key lime pie gone.
What?
That's a wrap, son.
Oh, man.
You talking about we got some pie. I think we got one lemon pie, one little small lemon pie, one of those small little patty, and you don't eat sweet potato pie. So.
Well, it got a lemon pie in there. There you have it. Lemon pie it is.
Say we got pie left. I'm surprised Grayson didn't finish it. Full. But he even have. I've been buying him like so many like stuff, stuff to eat around here. So I keep running out. Yeah, when these kids home for the holidays in the summertime.
The grocery bill.
Man, the grocery bill and electricity bill is crazy. It's real crazy. And now son eat like he 3 people.
Y'all.
And he's skinny as all. Well, he ain't skinny. He muscular because he's a swimmer.
Yeah, that
I don't know where he putting it.
that boy metabolism, man.
Mm-hmm.
He been hungry while he eating. You know?
Because he'll eat something after school, after swim practice. And then he ready for dinner. He talking about that's first dinner. Then mama, whatever you cook is second dinner. I'm like, boy. And I buy snacks and all that. And all his friends, like, they just run through it.
And not to mention, when he go to Chick-fil-A, he get 2 adult meals. I can't. I'm like, can I have something? Let me see what's down here. Good down up in the bottom. It is butter sauce. Is it butter sauce or garlic sauce?
I didn't call it butter sauce. Garlic is in it. Ooh, look at all that meat.
I'm good. I'm finished with the potatoes. Thank you, love. That hit the spot.
Good.
I needed that.
Because I didn't really want what I cooked till tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because you know, once you cook it, you don't want it.
I still might have to sample it tonight to make sure it's all right.
I didn't make no rice.
That's okay. So I'll wait for the touch.
There's no rice. And I was going to make none till in the morning. I'm tired.
Okay.
Finish this last one, I'm done.
This one gotta wait to eat them.
Do what?
This one have to wait to eat.
Oh, no, that's, yeah. It's going to be done. I'm telling you, I want to do as little as possible tomorrow. Am I the only one that on a Sunday night it's so hard to fall asleep for work the next day? I can't sleep.
No. It's like that for me too. And then when you finally doze off and fall asleep, it's time to get up.
That alarm going off. So disrespectful.
It's time to get up.
So disrespectful. But I got me some. I try to do. I can't even talk. I do like some chamomile tea.
Mm-hmm.
You know we used to drink tea all the time.
Yep.
At night.
I just coffee.
I need to start. You know, I bought some at Mama house.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot the whole thing.
Tea.
Some good tea too. Some good chamomile.
Not to cut you off, but I started to give me what I get from Chick-fil-A. Not the iced coffee.
The frozen?
Yeah, I started to get one.
When? Tonight?
Yeah, but I've probably been in here
Man,
I'd have probably been in here like just sitting in the dark. I'd have been like just sitting in the dark like this.
Mm-mm.
You'd have had the bird box my ass and put the blindfold on. Hey, I'd have been up, y'all.
By yourself.
When I was younger, I don't do this no more. When I know I have some design projects I needed to do or get out, y'all, this is what I would do. I would take me 2 Excedrin and drink me a Red Bull. Yo!
Excedrin migraine.
Excedrin migraine.
I didn't know he was doing it. I knew he was drinking a Red Bull.
Yo! Pop me 2 of them Excedrins.
That's like crack cocaine.
Hey,
or something.
look at here. They be talking about Molly Percocet. Hey.
And then get up and be to work for what, 8:30?
Pop me 2 Excedrin. Oh, you alright? And drink me a Red Bull, y'all. I go hard.
Straight abusing the body.
Hey, if you want it, man, I need like 4 t-shirt designs by tomorrow. That's all you need? I got you, homie.
Y'all to be so pissed off.
Make sure you have my money, though.
Go to bed. Go to bed.
You know, for people in the creative space. It come at different times, you know. And once it comes, it float. It float. It float.
Yeah, but you can't beat your body up like that.
Yeah, yeah. I don't have to do it no more. I mean, you know.
I just got potatoes at the bottom here.
On that night we had to do that big t-shirt job, and we did like the 24-hour job. I had to do it that day.
Did
I wouldn't. No, we went to work.
We went to work.
No, no, that's the ones we had to do. That was going to Louisiana.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I was gone all night.
Oh yeah. Y'all, it's grind around here all the time. It's family time, but we grind.
Ooh, that was good.
Almost done. One time we got left.
4 minutes.
4 minutes? Okay.
Like
It's
a little
just
kid
potatoes.
looking in her bowl.
It's just potatoes.
I'm good. I'm trying to see what I can do with this sauce. Like
I can make some more. We don't need to save it.
How much should I? It's you know when you have a bowl of something, you gotta. Should I drink it?
Don't drink that.
Oh, don't drink it. Yeah, my cholesterol will probably go through the roof.
You probably be dead no money.
For
Drink that.
real?
I'm just you gonna
Oh, I'm not. No, I don't want to know nothing.
it's gonna be some slippery slopes down at the church in the morning.
Oh wow.
I wouldn't have put as much butter.
Mhm.
I normally don't, but I was out of chicken broth.
Oh, okay.
But I cut it with water though, but still. Mm-mm.
Yeah. It look good.
Mm-hmm.
Some noodles or something in there.
Noodles would be delicious in there.
Oh yeah. So we had to just keep that in mind.
Mm-hmm.
Don't be trying to steal our stuff.
They don't know what I put in here.
Oh.
You silly. What? I know. I'm so tired.
I'm just watching you. I'm just watching. I think we need to just go on,
Sign out.
let them go home and go home.
He said, "Let them go home.
Hey,
Y'all can leave."
Yeah, hey, y'all ain't got to go home. Hey, if you're not finished eating, we sorry, but it's been a long but prosperous. Did I say that right? Prosperous and wonderful day. So we gonna call it a night over here. It's just like 10 o'clock and we calling it a night.
Oh, we ain't done.
Oh. Well, there she goes. She left some for our fur baby down there. Because he'll try to eat that too.
Move, you. Crazy self.
But I think we're going to call it a night. And thank you, babe. This was amazing.
I'm glad you liked it.
I appreciate it. Okay. Yay. Y'all have a good night. Y'all be safe if y'all hitting the streets tonight. Let me know what's going on because I'm not going to be in the streets. So y'all have a wonderful night. Queen? Anything?
Not much.
Hey, I do want to say something. It's a lot of drama going on the internet.
You mean like Instagram or YouTube?
The YouTubes and the Facebooks and the man, hey. Yo.
Yeah, it's popping, honey. What you think about Lil Jock hair?
Well, I mean, I guess he a grown man. He can do what he want, but to me, he looked like he auditioning for Little Mermaid 2. Under the sea. Under the sea. But, you know, to each his own. I wouldn't do it. That's just weird. I'm just not cut from that cloth.
You ain't cut from that cloth?
Nah.
No perms for you?
Nah, no perm. I mean, it ain't necessarily the perm that got me tripping. It's the color. Like, this dude really had to go get a Clairol number 5 or something, or whatever the dye is.
Oh no, that's a bleach channel. They had to bleach that.
Yeah, like that, man. I wonder if he gonna match his outfits with it too. I mean, he
Like
may.
a pimp.
Hey, if you gonna go that far, you might as well go ahead and go the rest of the way. You know, but it is what it is. Hey, he an entertainer, so I guess that's what he got to
entertain. Yeah, but I mean, you know, he got to step up. Usher done got the blowout.
Yeah.
So
Usher's giving us that Cary Grant.
debonair.
Yeah, he giving us that fighter pilot back in them old movies.
I know,
the fighter
right?
pilot had an ascot on.
They was sassy.
Yeah, and smoking the cigarette and.
Yeah, and as for that YouTube stuff with that Shook Bang and the Veronica and the Nick and just, whoo, Lord, I've been watching. It's crazy. What y'all think about that, man? It's bananas. It is bananas. So, but all right, guys, we're gonna sign out for real this time.
Yep.
Anything you done?
Now I'm just ready to clean up and put on Cupid and go to bed.
I'm just laying there.
That's fine.
Oh Lord.
I'm gonna get it how I live. Y'all have a good night, cause I am.
All right, guys. Remember, the cream always rises to the top. Hey.
I'ma stay.